So let's look at some testing tools Google's got out there. They've got a bunch of them out there, right? Here are the basic ones. You've got the rich results tool. Actually, let me go click on these individually. Sorry. Here we go. Here's the rich results tool. This will tell you if your website is eligible for some of the specialty items that you might find on a Google search page. So for example, let's see if I can find one here. Like people also ask, like this is one of those things that might be shown on a site, and Google can tell you if you're eligible for these kinds of things. Or if you go to, like, if I type in pot roast recipe, for example, you'll notice that the organic listings down here, they have an image, they've got ratings, they even talk about like how many calories or time it takes to cook it, reviews, and so on. This is all done through what's called structured data. We're not going to get into that here, but what we can do is let's just grab this URL, right? So we can see what it's eligible for. So I'll copy this URL. Let me go to rich results and I'll paste that one in here and hit test it, okay? This tool is basically going to go out and tell us which of the various things that Google is aware of and kind of supporting in structured data that this page might be eligible to receive in Google search or other places. So give it a minute to run. Let's go open up this one while we're waiting on that. Okay. Come on. All right, while that's running, I'm going to go ahead and just put the same URL into like the mobile friendly test to see if the page or the site is mobile friendly. You can also use this page speed insights. This is a page analyzer from Google that's really important if you have issues with speed or you have issues with maybe very large files. You got a lot of plugins on your WordPress site. It's causing things to slow down. If you're getting any reports in Google Search Console about your core web vitals, which we've talked about in the past, having a problem, this is the page you can come to. Like last contentful paint is a big issue with core web vitals. You can see it's got a little bookmark thing there. It's at 7.5 seconds. It's really bad. And so you're seeing here for this largest contentful paint, if I hit LCP, it says what I can do to kind of fix this, right? To make it easier, faster. These render blocking scripts would be a way to do that. You see I've got off-screen images that are taking up 1.89 seconds. So opening that up will give you a bit more detail about which images are causing the problem or causing the load time issues. If we go back to the rich results though here, notice articles. There's an unnamed article here and there's 2 warnings. So it tells you what the warnings are. Hey, you're missing the image field, you're missing the headline field. Now, while they're optional, they still might be warnings, so you still might really want to be able to go look at these warnings and fix them so you don't have any warnings. You want it to all look pretty. You've got breadcrumbs, you've got guided recipes, some warnings there, recipes, reviews, a search box, a video. So they've added all of this sort of behind the scenes structured data, right? Structured data on the page, and they wound up using that. They wound up using these on this page, and they're eligible for all of these different items. So you should go ahead to this tool, this rich results tool, and slap in a couple of your important URL stuff. Put your home page in, put your services page, put some other pages in, and see how you do.